CA challenge exam is a CA 3-part exam. A lot of chartered accountants face this question or dilemma whether I should go for 3-part exam or I should go for challenge exam. What is the difference? Let's see. CA 3-part exam is a regular exam where you need to attend 3 exams and pass the exam, 3 exams to get the certificate. However, challenge exam is a single sitting exam. So is there any difference in syllabus? More or less all the 3-part exam syllabus is included in a single sitting exam for challenge exam, minus financial management and financial accounting. So more or less the same topics are the same syllabus. But what is the difference in terms of time frame? 3-part exam, you can write the exam any time during the year. So you can write the exam within 3 weeks and complete it, or you can take 3 years to complete it. So you have 3 years to complete. But on the challenge exam, you need to register in April and write the exam either in June or August, or the second window you need to register in September and write it in November or February. Basically, upon registration within 6 months you need to complete the exam. So that's the challenge for you. If you are ready for the challenge, that is you can devote time to studies and pass the exam in a short time frame, then you go for challenge. If you think that there are a lot of commitments and a lot of professional commitments, then you wait for the exam in terms of 3-part exam, take it according to your pace and write it within a year or 2. All the best.